everyone, it's Teacher Trina, and today I'm going to talk about Asociacion de Silabas. This is a very fun game. All you need to do is take out the cards from the package, lay them out on the floor or table, and then you match the syllable to the matching picture. I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites, okay? First, we take out our cards. I will just take out a couple of cards so you can see what they look like. They're very hard plastic, so they're very sturdy and they're waterproof, so they don't break and they will not get damaged if you get them wet. First of all, we have a picture. This is sacapuntas. Sacapuntas. Sacapuntas means pencil sharpener in English. And this is C-E or se. Se. So now we have sacapuntas on one side and se on the other. What we will do is look for another card that will match the red letters on the one that shows the photo. So we're looking for the ka sound. Sacapuntas. Looking for the ka sound. Or we will find another one that has the photo with the se sound inside of it. Okay? So I have this card, and this one has zapatos, and it has the ka sound on the other side. So if you notice, the ka sound matches sacapuntas side. So if we play dominoes with this, we will match the CA to the CA on this one. So we will have the ka sound with sacapuntas. Our next step is to find a card that will match the ZA from zapatos or the CE se from the other side of the bottom card. Okay, now it's your turn to find a card.